One national study reported that about 1/3 of adults and an increasing number of young people have a problem with one or more joints. Knee pain was the most common complaint, followed by shoulder and hip pain, but joint pain can affect any part of our body, from our ankles and feet to shoulders and hands. It is predicted that knee arthroplasty will increase nearly fivefold by 2030 to 3.5 million surgeries annually. Although knee arthroplasty reliably reduces joint pain, it fails to correct disability due to dramatic declines in lower extremity neuromuscular function during the early post-surgical period. These deficits are never fully remediated, remaining for years after surgery and contributing to persistent disability. The big problem with joint replacement surgery is that it is irreversible. When it's done, there is no going back. You must live with the consequences of the surgery for the rest of your life, and it will still not solve the root issue of why your joint started to degenerate in the first place. Until the root cause is dealt with, your joint problem will keep getting worse, even after you get surgery. There are serious risks of joint replacement surgery, such as nerve injury, destruction of bone tissue around the replacement joint, in which the bone weakens and eventually the implant loosens. The weakened bone can then break. There are many more risks and complications to joint replacement surgery. Some are irreversible and happen even when the joint replacement surgery went 100% according to plan. Remember, even if the surgery is perfect, you are not rebuilding your joint. You are only replacing your own joint with an artificial joint. It should absolutely be considered as a last resort when all else fails. You should understand that after getting joint replacement surgery, you will not be able to do many activities such as running or playing basketball or tennis. You always will have to be careful. After getting a joint replacement surgery, you will officially be disabled. If you are even considering getting irreversible joint replacement surgery, before you do, you should learn the risks and hear the horror stories, and discover the alternatives. Click below to learn more.